Put the decimals in order from least to greatest. Whenever you want to write out a decimal in order, you need to work from the leftmost place value and move to the right when things are the same. So in other words, I noticed that all of these have sevens in the tens place value. So that doesn't really help me. Then I look at these and I notice that all of these have ones. Then I move to the right, take a look at these, and notice that all of them have eights in the ones place value, so that also doesn't help me. All right, well, let's move to the tenths place value. 1, 1, 1, ooh, and 2. Now that 2 is greater than all of these ones, which tells me that you are going to be the largest of these. So I will put you at the end. 78 and 2/10 is going to be the largest. Now looking at the other 3 that's left over, I still have to figure out which of these is going to be the smallest, largest, and the medium. So we move to the right of that 1, and that gives us 2 in the hundredths place value, 2 in that hundredths place value, and 2 in that hundredths place value. So that doesn't really help me here. Now I have a 9 in the thousandths place value and nothing. And if you're like, well, what do I do? Remember, you can always put zeros at the end of a decimal and it will not change the value. So I have a 9, a 0, and a 3 in the thousandths place value. Now when you compare 9, 0, and 3, the smallest of these is that 0. So the first number in our order is going to be 78 and 12 hundredths. So now that we have that out of the way, the next number up is going to be me comparing 9 and 3. 3 is the smaller of that two, so that's 78 and 123 thousandths. And the number that's left over is this one right here, 78 and 129 thousandths. So let's see what color I didn't use yet. How about purple? Let's separate these commas. And from least to greatest, I have 78 and 12 hundredths, 78 and 123 thousandths, 78 and 129 thousandths, and 78 and 2 tenths.